Hello everybody. My wife drives a certified pre-owned 2014 E350, which started giving her some trouble around 76,000 miles while it was still under the extended warranty. From time to time, it would not shift from reverse to drive, and on other occasions, it would not shift from drive to park. This problem occurred intermittently and not very frequently. Since the car was in its last month of factory warranty, I wanted to make sure the dealer resolved the problem or at least recorded the complaint. Of course, because the problem was intermittent, the dealer was unable to find any issues, nor were they able to duplicate the problem. Fast forward 4 months and 3,000 miles, and the problem occurs 3 times in 4 days. I drop my car on a Tuesday morning, pick up my loaner, and tell them keep my car until they can find the problem. The following Monday, I received this text message showing $1,220 for the repair, and you can see my gentle pushback. Here's my final bill. Somehow $1,220 got down to $756 value, probably the dealer cost, and $0 out of pocket for me. I draw your attention to this safety recall notice. It happens to apply to the 213 chassis, whereas mine was a 212 chassis. But if you Google 2017-0200-18, you'll be able to find this recall. While this recall does not apply to the W212 chassis, it might help you plead your case if you're having this problem on your E-Class. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful or informative, please give me a like, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel.